Are you feeling ready to embrace a new chapter in life? Discover the signs that living alone could be the perfect choice for you as an older adult. As we age, the idea of living alone can bring up a mix of emotions. For many older adults, it's a chance for newfound freedom and independence. But how do you know if you're truly ready for this step? In this video, we'll explore 12 signs that living alone might be the right choice for you. Whether it's the desire to make your own decisions or the ability to handle daily tasks, each sign will help you reflect on your situation. Living alone doesn't mean you have to feel lonely. It's about creating a space that feels like home, where you can thrive. We'll discuss everything from emotional readiness to practical considerations, giving you the tools to evaluate your own life. If you've ever wondered whether it's time to take the leap into independent living, stick around. By the end of this video, you'll have a clearer understanding of what it means to live alone as an older adult and whether it's the right path for you. Let's dive in. Sign 1. Desire for independence. One of the biggest signs that you might be ready to live alone is a strong desire for independence. As we grow older, many of us start to crave the freedom to make our own choices. This can mean deciding what to eat for dinner, when to go to bed, or how to decorate our living space. Living alone gives you the chance to create your own routine and lifestyle without having to compromise with anyone else. Imagine waking up in the morning and knowing that the day is yours to shape however you want. You can pursue hobbies, watch your favorite shows, or even enjoy quiet moments without interruptions. This independence can be empowering and boost your self-esteem. It's also important to recognize that wanting independence doesn't mean you're rejecting family or friends. Instead, it's about finding a balance where you can enjoy your own company while still staying connected to loved ones. If you find yourself longing for this kind of freedom, it might be a clear sign that living alone is a step you're ready to take. Embrace the idea of independence and let it lead you to a fulfilling new chapter in your life. Sign 2. Emotional stability. Emotional stability is another important sign that you might be ready to live alone. This means feeling comfortable with your feelings and being able to handle ups and downs in life. As we age, it's normal to experience various emotions, but being emotionally stable helps you deal with them effectively. When you're emotionally stable, you can face challenges with confidence and not feel overwhelmed by them. You can enjoy your own company and find joy in being alone. This doesn't mean you won't feel lonely at times. It simply means you can manage those feelings in a healthy way. Living alone allows you to create a space where you feel safe and secure, which can help you maintain your emotional balance. Additionally, emotional stability lets you focus on your well-being. You can set goals, engage in self-care, and prioritize activities that make you happy. If you feel ready to embrace your emotions and have a positive outlook on life, you're likely in a good place to consider living alone. It's about creating a nurturing environment for yourself where you can thrive and grow no matter your age. Sign 3. Self-confidence. Self-confidence is a key factor when considering living alone as an older adult. It's all about believing in your ability to handle everyday tasks and challenges. When you feel confident, you're more likely to take on new responsibilities and enjoy the freedom that comes with living independently. Think about the last time you faced a challenge. Did you tackle it with ease or hesitate? If you find yourself handling problems with a positive attitude, that's a great sign. Living alone means making decisions for yourself, from managing finances to maintaining your home. When you trust yourself to make the right choices, it can lead to a greater sense of fulfillment. Self-confidence also encourages you to explore new interests and hobbies. You might discover new passions or reignite old ones that bring you joy. By living alone, you can create a lifestyle that reflects who you are and what you love. If you feel ready to embrace your independence and take charge of your life, it's likely a sign that living alone could be a wonderful next step for you. Embrace your self-confidence and let it guide you into this exciting new chapter. Sign 4. Financial stability. Financial stability is a crucial sign that you might be ready to live alone as an older adult. It's essential to have a solid understanding of your finances and ensure that you can comfortably cover your living expenses. This includes rent or mortgage payments, groceries, utilities, and other bills. When you're financially stable, you can enjoy the freedom of living independently without the constant worry about money. Living alone means you'll be responsible for managing your budget, which can be empowering. It allows you to make choices that fit your lifestyle and priorities. If you've been managing your finances well and have a plan for your expenses, this indicates that you're ready for this new step. Additionally, being financially stable can give you the confidence to enjoy life more fully. You can engage in activities, travel, or even save for future needs. If you're feeling secure about your financial situation and are ready to embrace the independence that comes with living alone, this is a strong sign that it might be the right time for you to take this leap. Sign 5. Health considerations. Health considerations are vital when deciding to live alone as an older adult. It's important to assess your physical health and ability to care for yourself. If you feel generally healthy and are capable of managing daily tasks like cooking, cleaning, and personal care, it's a good indicator that you're ready for independent living. Living alone can provide you with the opportunity to create a lifestyle that supports your health and well-being. You can prepare meals that suit your dietary needs and engage in activities that promote physical and mental health. This level of control over your environment can be incredibly beneficial. However, if you have health concerns, it's essential to be realistic about your needs. Consider whether you have access to medical care and support if needed. Living alone doesn't mean you have to do everything by yourself. Having a plan for health care and a network of friends or family can help you feel more secure. If you feel confident in your ability to manage your health and daily activities, living alone can be a fulfilling and rewarding experience. Embrace the idea of creating a home that supports your health and happiness. Sign 6. Support network. Having a strong support network is an important sign that you might be ready to live alone as an older adult. Even though living independently offers freedom, it doesn't mean you have to go through life alone. A solid circle of friends, family, or community members can provide emotional and practical support when you need it. Consider the people in your life who can lend a helping hand or just be there to listen. If you have friends or family who regularly check in on you, share meals, or engage in activities together, that's a great foundation. Living alone can sometimes feel lonely, but knowing you have a network to rely on can ease those feelings. Additionally, being part of a community can enhance your independence. Many older adults find joy in joining clubs, groups, or volunteering, which not only helps build connections, but also keeps you engaged. If you have a reliable support system in place, you'll likely feel more confident about taking the step to live alone. It's all about balancing independence with meaningful relationships that enrich your life. Embrace your support network, knowing they'll be there to share in your journey as you embark on this exciting new chapter. Sign 7. Preference for personal space. A preference for personal space is another strong indicator that living alone might be the right choice for you. As we age, many of us appreciate having a space that feels uniquely ours, where we can relax, recharge, and express our individuality. If you find yourself craving solitude and enjoy having a home that reflects your style, it may be time to consider living independently. Personal space allows you to create a comfortable environment that suits your needs. You can arrange your furniture, choose your decor, and establish a routine that feels right for you. This control over your surroundings can bring a sense of peace and satisfaction. Moreover, having your own space means you can enjoy quiet moments without interruptions, whether it's curling up with a good book, watching your favorite shows, or simply enjoying a cup of tea. These small pleasures can greatly enhance your quality of life. If you value the idea of having a space that's entirely yours and want to create a sanctuary where you can thrive, living alone could be a wonderful opportunity to embrace your preference for personal space. Celebrate the freedom to make your home truly yours. Sign 8. Control over environment. Control over your environment is a significant sign that you may be ready to live alone as an older adult. When you live independently, you have the power to create a home that suits your preferences and lifestyle. This means you can decide how to arrange your living space, choose your furnishings, and set your daily routine without having to accommodate anyone else's needs. Imagine being able to decorate your home exactly how you like it, whether that's filling it with plants, art, or family photos that make you smile. You can also establish a daily schedule that works for you, whether you're an early riser who enjoys morning walks or a night owl who prefers late-night movies. This level of control can lead to a more fulfilling and comfortable life. Living alone also means you can create an environment that promotes your well-being. You can set up spaces for hobbies, relaxation, and even meditation or exercise, depending on what makes you happy. If you appreciate having the freedom to design your living space and routine in a way that reflects who you are, this is a strong indicator that living alone could be the right step for you. Embrace the chance to create a home where you feel truly at ease. Sign 9. Ability to manage household tasks. Being able to manage household tasks is another important sign that you might be ready to live alone as an older adult. Daily responsibilities like cooking, cleaning, and maintaining your home can seem daunting, but if you feel comfortable handling these tasks, it's a great sign of readiness for independent living. Managing your household means knowing how to prepare meals, do laundry, and keep your living space tidy. If you enjoy cooking your favorite dishes or take pride in a clean and organized home, this is a positive indication that you can thrive on your own. Plus, having these skills allows you to create a space that feels welcoming and reflects your personality. Additionally, being organized and efficient with household chores can enhance your overall well-being. When your environment is clean and orderly, it can lead to a clearer mind and a more peaceful atmosphere. If you find joy in maintaining your home and have the skills to manage daily tasks effectively, you're likely well equipped for the independence of living alone. Celebrate your ability to create and maintain a space that is all your own, where you can feel happy and at home. Sign 10. Social engagement. Social engagement is a crucial sign that you may be ready to live alone as an older adult. Having a vibrant social life can enhance your overall happiness and well-being. If you find joy in connecting with friends, participating in community events, or joining clubs, it indicates that you can maintain a fulfilling life even while living independently. Living alone doesn't mean isolating yourself. It can provide you with the freedom to choose how and when to engage with others. You can schedule visits with friends or family, join local groups, or volunteer for causes you care about. These activities not only help you build relationships, but also enrich your life with new experiences and perspectives. Being socially active is also essential for mental health. Regular interaction with others can help reduce feelings of loneliness and keep your spirits high. If you feel excited about the possibility of meeting new people and maintaining connections, it's a strong sign that living alone could be a positive change for you. Embrace the opportunity to foster your social life while enjoying the independence that comes with living on your own. Sign 11. Desire for a new routine. A desire for a new routine can be another significant sign that you might be ready to live alone as an older adult. As we age, many of us seek changes in our daily lives that reflect our evolving interests and needs. If you find yourself longing for a fresh start, or the chance to establish a routine that better suits your lifestyle, this may indicate it's time to consider independent living. Living alone allows you to create a daily schedule that works for you, free from the influence of others. You can choose when to wake up, eat, and go to bed. This flexibility can lead to a greater sense of control over your life. Whether it's enjoying leisurely mornings, dedicating time to hobbies, or prioritizing self-care, having the freedom to design your day can be incredibly fulfilling. Moreover, a new routine can help you discover new passions or rediscover old ones. If you're eager to explore different activities or pursue goals that bring you joy, living alone provides the perfect opportunity to do so. Embrace the chance to craft a routine that reflects who you are and brings you happiness. This desire for change can be a strong motivator as you consider taking the exciting step into independent living. Sign 12. Experience with living alone. Having previous experience with living alone is an important sign that you might be ready to take the leap into independent living as an older adult. If you've ever lived by yourself, even for a short time, you likely have a better understanding of what it means to manage a household. This experience can make the transition smoother and more comfortable. Reflect on any times you've lived alone, whether it was during college, after a change in life circumstances, or while traveling. These moments can provide valuable insights into how you handle daily tasks, cope with loneliness, and enjoy your own company. If you found that you thrived during those times, it's a strong indicator that you have the skills and mindset to live independently again. Moreover, past experiences can teach you how to create a supportive and enjoyable environment for yourself. You may have discovered what makes you feel comfortable, happy, and secure in your own space. If you feel confident in your ability to live alone based on your past experiences, it's a clear sign that you're ready to embrace this exciting new chapter in your life. In conclusion, recognizing the signs that indicate you might be ready to live alone as an older adult is essential for making this significant decision. From a desire for independence to having a support network, emotional stability, and the ability to manage daily tasks, each sign plays a vital role in your readiness for independent living. As you reflect on these signs, remember that living alone offers the chance to create a space that truly feels like home, where you can thrive and enjoy your own company. It's about embracing your individuality and finding fulfillment in your daily life. If you see yourself in these signs, don't hesitate to take that step towards independence. Trust yourself and celebrate the freedom that comes with living alone. You're not just moving into a new space. You're embarking on a journey of self-discovery and empowerment. Thank you for joining us as we explored the 12 signs that you might be ready to live alone as an older adult. If you found this information helpful or resonated with any of the signs, we'd love to hear from you. Share your thoughts, experiences, or questions in the comments below. Your insights could inspire someone else who is considering this important step. If you're excited about more content on independent living, aging gracefully, and creating a fulfilling life, don't forget to subscribe to our channel. Hit the notification bell so you won't miss any of our upcoming videos. Remember, living alone is not just about solitude, It's about embracing independence, discovering your passions, and crafting a life that reflects who you are. Thank you for watching, and we look forward to seeing you in our next video.